Hello everyone, welcome to Prompt with Pal. Have you ever wished your Word document or PowerPoint deck could just build themselves while you think aloud? Well, that's exactly what Microsoft new Office Agent sets out to do. In this episode, we step into the next era of agentic productivity where AI doesn't just respond to prompt, it works alongside you, orchestrating multi-step tasks inside Microsoft 365 Copilot. Built on Microsoft's new task-driven multi-agent system, Office Agent brings creative polish, structure right in your daily tools. It takes your idea in chat, say a campaign brief of a project proposal, and transforms it into a ready-to-share Word document or a presentation in minutes. Think of it as your Copilot creative counterpart, blending reasoning, design, and style consistency so your output is already, which feels like complete. The best part, it's the same agent that connects with the agent mode in Word and Excel, bringing chat, document, and data all within one seamless flow. So let's see it in action. So let's get started with the brand new Office Agent freshly baked into M365 Copilot. The first AI agent built to create Office artifacts across Word, PowerPoint. Think of it as your creative partner inside the Copilot chat. You describe what you need, and Office Agent gets to work orchestrating the research, structure, and design in one seamless flow. Let's get started with a simple prompt. Here I'm asking Copilot to create a presentation summarizing the top 5 global trends shaping the future of work using Microsoft WorkLab as a reference source. The moment I hit enter, the Office Agent begins planning, not guessing. It understands the context, sources, and deliverables. Before I dive in, Office Agent asks clarification questions, just like a skilled colleague would do. What should the presentation focus on? Should it emphasize trends or recommendation? It ensures the output aligns precisely with your intent, not just what AI thinks you meant. Let's look at the personalization and creative controls that has been built into it. From here, you can personalize the entire experience, choose whether you want equal focus on insights and recommendation, decide how visuals or text heavy your deck should be, even define the presentation length, whether it should be 5, 10, or 20 slides. Notice how you can also choose a theme like ocean for a clean, data-driven look or Copilot for a modern design. Everything about this feels intuitive. You are in control while the AI does the heavy lifting. Once the preferences are set, Office Agent finalizes your brief, ready to move from conversation to creation. With one click, the agent starts orchestrating the workflow, planning, researching, drafting the structure for your presentation. Here starts the multi-step research. Behind the scene, like you can see here, Office Agent is now running a multi-step reasoning process. It launches the structured web search, referencing the trusted sources, including the Microsoft's own WorkLab blog, to gather real data, key statistics, and visual relevant to your topic. This is the agentic part of the experience. Multiple sub-agents collaborate. One handles research, another filters credible content, and the third crafts the narrative. Here's how the true real-time transparency looks like. You can watch this process unfold live. Every search query, every source, every data point is visible. Transparency is built into workflows so you can know exactly where the content is coming from. And yes, it automatically includes references from Microsoft domains, keeping the output accurate, compliant, and aligned with the enterprise standards. Next comes compiling and generating the slides, like you can see here. Once the research is complete, Office Agent begins assembling your presentation, structuring sections like global trends, impact analysis, frontier recommendation. It uses Copilot's taste-driven multi-agent system to ensure consistency in tone, style, formatting, so every slide looks professionally designed right from the first draft. In a minute, you have a polished PowerPoint deck ready to open. You can continue refining it in PowerPoint itself using the Copilot in agent mode to tweak the layout, summarize the content, and convert the sections into bullet points. From idea to insight to impact, all without ever starting from a blank slide. And that's Office Agent, where you don't just use Office, you collaborate with it, describe your goal, guide the process, and let Copilot handle the complexity. So, welcome to the new era of fine working with Copilot, where creation feels natural, smart, and beautifully human. So the launch of Office Agent marks a shift from prompting to partnering. It's not about replacing your work, it's about removing the repetitive steps between the intent and the impact. Whether it's drafting a board report, shaping a proposal, or turning the raw ideas into narrative, Office Agent is built to understand your vibe, bring it to life instantly. As Microsoft calls it, this is vibe working. Human and AI creating together naturally. So stay tuned in as we explore how agent mode in Excel and PowerPoint will soon complete this story of true collaboration, where your next big idea can go from thought to presentation in on time. So thanks for joining in. See you next time.